Alright guys and gals, this is a quick tutorial on how to adjust your collections on your home page. If you have happen to have 6 collections on your home page, or 3 collections, 2 collections, or 1 collection, this video will be applicable to you. So this particular brand has 6 collections, which is a really high converting theme. The reason being is you get an opportunity to display your best products or your priority products above the fold. Above the fold in the tech world means everything that a customer sees before they scroll down. So here we get the banner. We have so if I display this, hide, we can see above the fold where we have 2 collections showing, and then scrolling down will be the additional collections. So for me, as a best practice, I like to have my tab that I'm working on open in multiple windows, just making it easier for me to kind of move back and forth. So let's say if I'm inside of the back end of the theme here, to get to your actual theme, you select online store, and then you select customize. All right, and we're going to customize the 6 collections. So this section here is pretty self-explanatory. As long as you're reading, you should be fine. So what I mean by that is everything here to the left is focusing on what's here to the right. So if we say favicon scroll bar, basically this is the scroll bar. Favicon is all controlled in here. All right. Favicon is just a small version of your logo. Slide out menu here. This is the slide out menu here. So for right now, this client has a gray slide out menu. Let's say if they wanted to switch their slide out menu from being gray and they wanted to match the color of their website more, they would just select red, and then you have to click off of it for it to show, for it to save, and now it saves. But because I had a white color here, it went as a gradient. So if I want both colors to be red, I have to just click both colors red. And now it has like a red and black, right? Let's say if that's not dark enough, I think this one may be a little bit darker, right? So that may match a little bit better. But if this client wanted to have like a gradient effect, you can slide it across and do some cool things like that. Now, let's say they didn't want to have any type of gradient, they just wanted a picture. You can just grab a picture and you can slap a picture and it just shows the crop. So this picture is like wide, so it only shows a little bit. But whatever picture you put here, it'll show right there to the side. So let's say if that right there was there, it can show that picture. Or I'll just keep it at a gradient. All right. I can keep the colors black, or I can switch them to white, however I want to do it. I'll just keep them black for right now. All right, so this tutorial video isn't about this section, so let me get off of this. Now, notification bar, logo header bar, all that's on a different video. The focus of this video is the collection list, is this section here. All right, so to change this, I just select collection list, and then I can refresh it so I can see exactly what I'm doing here. All right. All right, so I select collection list. So as you see, is in order: brands we carry, collection list, collection list. So scrolling down, collection list. All right, you just go click URL and you attach the collections to a collection, and you find the collection that matches whatever these words say. So this one says, the first one says clippers and trimmers. So I actually already created a collection or a category that says clippers and trimmers. Now, if I didn't create this, then I would have to go create that so I can attach it to this, right? So then here, again, trimmer guards. I've already created trimmer guards, so I can attach that to this. So the outside of the theme, this is what customers see. You have to make sure you also make this in the back office of the theme. So I go to products and I go to collections, and I've already created all these different collections. Now, normally most brands won't have this many collections, so you guys don't have to really worry about that. But as you see here, this brand has a lot of collections, so it's a lot of grunt work of entering in all the content here. So what I would do, let's say if I am this client, I would go to clippers and trimmers, And right now, clippers and trimmers has nothing in it. So if I was to click clippers and trimmers, it doesn't matter that I clicked it and it's assigned. The client hasn't attached any products to the collection. So they have to go and search it and add each product to the collection that they want to be into the collection of clippers and trimmers. So I can search it by clippers if I want, right? And then I can look for clippers, find clippers, right? Boom, boom, boom. And then I can attach, I'm only going to attach a couple of them. So I got these right here. So I think that's pretty much boom, 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 boom. All right, hit add. Now all those collections get added. I can sort them by best selling. I like to set them by manual, so I can assign what I want to show first. So I can drag it and I can drop what I want to show first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now that I attached it, I can refresh it, and now it shows because I assigned it in the back office. All right, so that pretty much breaks down how to create this collection section. I don't want to make this video too long. Again, kind of self-explanatory. You have to create the collections in the back office, products, and then you don't see collections until you click products. So if I'm at home, I click home, I can't see collections. I have to click products, then I can click collections. Right. And then I can adjust the collection. So last but not least, once you get those collections made, like as you notice, I have these collections on drop downs and nested links, right? So you want to make sure you put them in a navigation. To get to navigation, you go to online store, then you go to navigation, you go inside your main menu. Don't create add menu, don't add any additional menus. Just go to main menu and you literally add an item, or you can go right into the one that's already dropped down. So if I wanted to go into shop, I can add a menu item right under that. So now another product could be there. If I did collections and I did all collections and I hit add, now this is going to be dropped down under this. So if I wanted to have a drop down and a drop down, I can grab it, I can drag it to the right, and now Shop Oster has a drop down of its own, right? So you can have a drop down and a drop down. So it can basically smart nested links. I'm going to delete that because I don't need that. All right. So if you wanted to just add one to the main menu and not be in a drop down, then you don't click this arrow and you don't add them under this. You don't add them under. You would set up one of its own. So you can say here, collection. I always like to do links. I like to do link because if I do link, it automatically names it for me. But you can change the name. The name is what the customers see on the front end if you want to change it. So now it's on the main menu, right? If I want it to be in a drop down, I grab it, drag it to the right, and now it's a drop down under that product. All right, so this tutorial video gave you guys some extra tips and tricks on how to do navigation. But most importantly, we learned how to assign the collections. So assigning collections is a self-service thing. Reason being is because you're going to always be changing and moving your business on the fly. So this is just more so something that you would do as you practice with your theme. And you'll be an expert in no time. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you hit us up. But study this video, watch it a couple times, and you should be good to go. All right, good. Have a good day.